be going back. Me and my mom are going to be going back to Apache Monument. So let's go see this there. So we're in the car right now driving. We just turned on Camelback, and it's on Camelback Road and 36th Avenue, and we're almost there. So yeah. So we're arriving at the destination. It's right there. This is the place. Apache, Honda, whatever. There's a line of dirt bikes again. So we're arriving. There's the place. So see you guys when we're inside. Okay, so we just got inside and I'm already sitting.
This is the one.
Of course, wait, yes. So, yeah, we're gonna try, come over here. We're gonna try to sit on this little thingy. Imagine if I go this.
What?
Look at these brakes, look. Stop real quick.
Yeah. You look big on that one.
Oh wait, I know. Hold it.
That's way too small.
I know. What? No.
I wonder how long you could ride this one before you grow out of it.
It'd be fun to ride a smaller bike sometimes. I just mess around on a TV.
Well, they have mini motorcycles.
Just go. Yeah. But this is the one that pretty much I hope I'm gonna get. But that's the one that I would get. Not this one. So when I go, pause it. Okay, so I'm gonna be vlogging right now. So I'm on the teeny dirt bike. It's the little 50, and that's the 110. So this is so a little bit different. Doesn't, of course, the throttle's a little bit different.
That one's only 15, 14, 14.
Yeah, and so there's a line of Kawasaki's right here. This doesn't used to be here at all. Guess I'll get on the Kawasaki. So here's the, whatever it's called, the electric start, kill switch, brake, throttle, your gas, your pull out kickstart, and your stuff. So yeah. Our video. Bye.
Bye.